This FASTSTORM 12V electric fan relay kit delivers strong, consistent cooling performance for dual or single radiator fans, making it a solid upgrade over basic factory setups. The integrated temperature switch automatically brings the fans on around typical operating heat and shuts them off as the engine cools, so you are not constantly babysitting the gauge in traffic or hot weather. A simple rocker switch with a clear on and off position lets you override the automatic control when needed, which is especially useful for towing, off-road use, or extended idling. Installation is straightforward thanks to clearly designated wires and included connectors. So a careful do-it-yourself owner can wire the system without specialized tools or guesswork. Water-resistant fuse holders and a robust relay design help the kit stand up to underhood moisture, vibration, and heat, which is crucial for long-term reliability in daily driven or work vehicles. Because it works with a wide range of fan sizes and vehicle types, this kit is a flexible choice whether you are adding electric fans to an older car or refining the cooling system on a modified truck or recreational vehicle.